and welcome to yet another tutorial of React.js on this YouTube channel called Mint. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to set up the initial installation softwares for creating the React application. So in this tutorial, we are going to see these points and we'll start with Node.js installation. After that, we will see what is NPM. NPM, basically what is the role of NPM in the React development, that is like Node Package Manager. And after that, we will see why Node.js is also required for the development. And the editor which we require for the same is Visual Studio Code, and we will see how to install it. And after that, we will see what is the command to create the first application. So let's begin one by one. So basically NPM, uh, so NPM stands for Node Package Manager, and as you can Google about it as NPM, and this is the first official site of NPM, and it is currently it is well maintained and owned by GitHub. And NPM is Node Package Manager. It is like a cloud, and you can search for any of the dependencies or any of the files. Like let's say if I'm searching for Bootstrap, so I don't need to install all the files manually. So this is the only command which I'll run from the command prompt locally, and all the required files will be downloaded at my local machine. Okay, so before that, we need to install the Node.js. So simply we will Google about Node.js, and this is the official site. Here we can see two different versions, and this is the stable version and this is the recent version. So I would suggest you to go with the stable one. So you just click on that and it will start the download, as I already have downloaded it. So you can, once the download is complete, you can directly open it and install it. It's really simple. After that, you also need VS Code editor, and this is the official site for it. And as you can see, we do have the option to download it. Once you download it, the same way you can directly install it. So as our Node.js is installed, the setup file is downloaded, so we can start with the Node.js installation. And this is the installation wizard. So you just have to press next and keep on going further. As I already have it, so I don't need to install it here. So I'll cancel it. And after that, like VS Code can also be installed in the same manner. So once these two are installed, so you can open the command prompt, or yeah. So this is my folder. I'll go in this and simply I'll press CMD. So it will open the command prompt in this particular folder, and I'll check whether the node is installed or not with this command node-v. And as you can see, the current version is 18.15. So it means Node.js is installed. So now Node.js is required because we need to use NPM, and NPM is Node Package Manager, and it works on Node. This is Node.js software. So basically, Node.js provides you a runtime environment like Java JDK, and it gives you like client and server architecture at your local machine level. So simply I'll search for NPM version as well. So NPM is Node Package Manager. So these two are installed, so I don't need to worry about it. So everything is installed as of now, and I'll create the first application with the create React app. So I'll simply search it, and you can land up on the official documentation of React. And to create the first application, we do have this command. So that is npx create React app and then my app. So simply you can copy it and just press enter. So it will start the creation of the React application, and it will keep on going. So it will take some time because it will create all the files automatically. You don't need to create any file in manual. So manually you don't need to create it. And after that I'll just simply open the folder. Like I'll first open the VS Code, and after that select the open folder and get the my app. So it was already installed on my application on my PC. So these are the files which are auto generated by this that single command. And after that, so okay, I'll run it from here. So this one is the old application which I already have uh, created it. So npm start is the command to run the application, and so simply it will start the application. And once the application is ready to run, so it will open the browser on the specific port. The port would be 3000 as a by default port. Let's say, okay, I'll terminate this application creation because I already have created it. Okay, so this is the first application which you can see. This is the first home page of your application, and all the code is present here. And this code is coming from the index HTML. So instead of yeah, so this root, instead of root, I'll just comment it out, and I'll say hello world and just save it. So after that it is compiled again, and as you can see, here is the hello world. So whatever I change, whatever I'm doing the changes here, so it will get reflected on the browser at runtime. And the browser acts as a client, and this is your, like, compilation happens at the runtime, and you can make changes uh, directly here. So we will see all the details of the files and what are the uses of it, what is the significance of each and every file. So hope you have understood everything. So we will quickly revise. So first is you just have to install Node.js. After that, you can check the versions of Node.js and npm, and then VS Code installation is also required. And after that, at the end, you can uh, start the application. You can create the application using create React app. NPX is basically extended npm version. So npm 5.6 onwards is uh, you, if your npm is 5.6 onward versions, so version of 5.6, or so you can directly use npx there. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much. If you liked it, so please like and subscribe to our channel and keep sharing. Thank you very much.